Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Look what I got my hands on. I'm so freaking excited. This video wasn't actually meant to go up today. I had something else planned, but I received this package yesterday and I was like, I'm not wasting any more time. I'm gonna get this on and I'm gonna get a look done for you, and I'm getting this video to you ASAP. But anyway, I've created this makeup look right here. So if you want to know how I got this look and my thoughts on this palette as we go along, then keep on watching. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribed. Please subscribe. But for now, guys, enjoy the video. Right, guys, let's not waste any time because your girl has a serious bake on right now. So yeah, look at this. This is literally glitter glam girly AF goals. So guys, you get this mirror that has the AMREZY logo and it's literally decked out in these little gems. So cute. And then it comes in this super cute pink box, but the actual palette itself is just to die for. It looks exactly like the PR box. I have to say though, I have already opened this and one of my shades is smashed and I'm so sad about it because it's such a cute shade. But it literally just smashed and broke out. No! If you could see what's on my freaking table right now and all over the box, this right here is the palette. So this palette's got a lot of like shimmery, glittery, metallic shades, and then it's only got these 6 matte shades here at the bottom, but they're very, very staple matte shades. And I believe Gemini and Litty are actual pressed glitters, not pressed pigments. She's gone in. She's literally thought of it all. So I've just prepped my eyes with some concealer. I'm gonna go in with the shades New Yorker and OG mixed together. I'm just gonna take this through my crease to start off with, just back and forth. I don't actually know what I want to do still. I just know that these are good kind of like laying the foundation down kind of shades. I feel like if you never know what to do, what eyeshadow look to do, always start off with soft brown transition in the crease because you can always build up from that. And then just a little deeper into the crease, I'm going to take the shade 1988. I'm really going to just work this shade back and forth right into the crease. I don't want to blend this shade too high whatsoever. And as usual, I feel like all Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palettes always have the same excellent quality. They always, especially with their matte shades, they are very, very dusty. And I guess they're just super pigmented, and this is just how it is when you get a really, really pigmented eyeshadow. I don't know. I've experienced it a couple of times now with different eyeshadow palettes, but Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes, it's literally always like that you'll get tons of pigment, really, really like soft and smooth to blend. However, it's very like dusty in the palette. I've had a thought because I kind of know what I want to do now. I'm kind of just going to work those first 2 light brown shades that I took right here on the outer corner really, really lightly. And you could do this before this step and then take the dark brown that we were just using and just pat it right onto the outer corner so that it kind of joins up with the crease. So I'm just going to wiggle that shade on right here just to kind of frame the eye completely. Can you guess what step is next? Because it's looking like a hot mess. I am going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer because I want to cut my crease. So yeah, I'm going to try this out. I don't think I've used it before, but it makes sense to use the ABH one though. I'm not going to lie, I'm shook because it's a new product. But I'm going to just apply this over my lid and create quite like a large cut crease. I'm going to get right up into that crease line and make sure it's nice and as sharp as can be and create a nice shape. And breathe, and then do the other eye. Next, I'm going to go into the beautiful rose goldy shade Anastasia, and I'm just going to pat this over my lid area where I've just cut the crease, so any of that clear white area. And I'm just going to take it up to where I kind of stopped and then go in with the brush that I used with the brown eyeshadow, the deep brown shadow. I'm just going to go back in, just reinforce that crease with it, and then just work a bit of that brown right onto the outer corner as well. So then guys, I'm going to go into that black eyeshadow called BK. Guess that's short for black. And I'm just going to to press this again right onto the outer corner and just take it along the lash line really, really slightly on the outer corner, and it's super black. Then just go ahead and blend it back into that brownie eyeshadow that you've got. And I'm just kind of trying to get the darkest kind of definition in the outer corner of the eye going. Now time for some wing liner. I feel like this look needs it. I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner to do this. So I always just like to start in the center of my eye and then create the wing and make sure everything is joined up. Okay, so then I can't do this look without trying this blue Leo shade, because it's not like the odd one out in the palette, but it kind of is. It's so bright, it's popping, it needs to go on. So I'm just going to chuck this on along my lower lash line. They literally have so much fallout, these shadows. But then the pigment is incredible, so I'm like, ah. Okay, I just took this look from clubbing on a Friday to Egyptian goddess. Don't you think this color is proper, like, it gives me Egypt vibes. Okay, the better way to apply this metallic eyeshadow, especially if you're taking it along your lower lash line, is to just dampen the brush first. A, you'll get less fallout, and B, the color just goes on much more pigmented and less powder flying around inside your eye, because that is like my issue with it. I'm going to take this aqua kind of liner. What is it called? Oh, it's called Odysea from Marc Jacobs, just in my waterline, because I don't like that fleshy toned gap. This just looks like it's all one, and this shade is exactly the same as the actual eyeshadow. Ooh, that is so nice with this liner. I love this liner so much. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara and lashes and finish off my face makeup, and then I'll be back with you and give you my full final thoughts on this palette. Okay guys, so I am back with the rest of my makeup on and done. Oh, also the lashes I've got on are some Huda Beauty and Lottie number 19 collab lashes, and they're so cute. For the lips, I've just gone in with some Huda Beauty Flirt lip liner, and I'm gonna take an Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick because, girl, we're trying to do everything ABH right now except for the lip liner. I don't think she does any lip liners, which is crazy. I'm gonna get this on all over my lips. I haven't used my ABH liquid lipsticks in so long, and I've very quickly been reminded how amazing they are. So you can leave it right here, but I always need gloss, so I'm gonna go in with Undressed by Anastasia Beverly Hills as well. Okay guys, so here we have the finished look. I really hope you like it. I always feel like once the lip is on, everything just comes together, and I actually really like it. But yeah, final thoughts on the palette. I can't actually tip it because I've tried to put that barb shade together right there, but can you see all of the eyeshadow dust that's there? I feel like these shadows are very dusty, but super high pigmented, always excellent quality, and really nice and easy to blend, really easy to work with. The metallic shades, you can use them damp and they go on even more beautiful, and the matte shades are smooth AF. And of course, like, the packaging and all of that is just top notch. It's super cute and really unique as well. I feel like there's so much you can do with this palette, because even though you've got these really bright tones in here, there's a whole lot of neutral you can do with this palette, and I already could see like so many different looks that I could do with this. I feel like they've put some really good colors together, so I'm super impressed. Other than the fallout, which you're probably bored of me talking about now, everything else is amazing, and I'm really impressed with the whole palette. So let me know if you're going to be purchasing this palette. Leave it down below in the comment section. What do you think? What did you think of my makeup look as well? Don't forget to like this button if you did enjoy this review tutorial. It really does help me out, as well as pressing the subscribe button. If you're not already subscribed, hit that button, girl. Show some support and get me on the gram as well at AnchalMUA. But for now, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye.